4+4, it must complete. Our governor must excel to the 8 years. He's a peaceful man. He's a lovely man. He's a man that listens to everyone. He's a man that cares for the people. He's a man for the people. He's a man for the widows. He's a man for the widowers. He's a man for River State. That is why we, the widows and widowers in River State, we take it as our own mandate to say, of Fubara mandate we shall stand. Of Fubara mandate we shall. Of Fubara mandate we shall. Of Fubara mandate we shall. Because we as Rivers people we want peace. And we have seen that our governor, similarly Fubara, he's a peaceful governor. We want to start to tell Wakunaka, clap your hands. He's a peaceful governor. He's a man that talks less and walk in action. That is the kind of man we want in our society. A man that proves it to Nigerians that is a real Democrat. He's a man that proves to us that is a man for the people. So we are loyal to Similaye Fubara, the governor of River State. My name is Mrs. Hello. We are so excited. When the Bible said, when the righteous rule, the people rejoice. We are rejoicing because we have a good governor. We are rejoicing because the light has come. Darkness cannot comprehend the light anymore. Fubara is the light of River State. That is why we are rejoicing. My name is Mrs. Victoria Osagio-Moniyi. I'm based in River State. And this group you are seeing is Widows and Widowers Forum, River State chapter. Everyone you are seeing have their PVC. We have our voice. We have our mouth. Will our vote count? Because we did it 2023, we are going to do it 2027. Fubara all the way! Fubara all the way! Fubara, Fubara, Fubara can't get so. Mone jeje, mona lala, Fubara can't get. Oh, Fubara, 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 Fubara can't get so. Mone jeje, mona lala, Fubara can't get so.
The whole world seeing you, we know that this man must be special. That people, even under the rain, come and appreciate him. On behalf of the governor, I want to welcome you to this place, the gate of River State Government House. I want to thank all of you. I know you have been here since morning. I saw you, but there was another group that we had. And now the rain has come. If it were non-serious people, if it were commercially minded people, you wouldn't have been here by now. There is no accident, there's no coincidence in the things of God. It's God that put this small test in place for us. And you have passed that test. Thank you very much. I was wondering whether you'd be here with this rain. When I came and saw you, in fact, I said I must be here under this rain to receive you and to take your message back to the governor. But I want to leave you with one small message so that you can go quickly now. That message is that your governor cares for you. Your song said it all. This kind man, this kind governor, another one, you know there. True, you know there. I never see him. Since I began work for government till now, I never see this type. I want to thank all of you for coming and to tell you that the projects of the governor are inclusive. He has projects that will cover every person. One of the projects that we can think is coming fast now is things about agriculture, which I know that the group that came earlier that you saw, they are women in agriculture. I want to key into those laudable projects of government. Key into them. Everything about Rivers State now is orderly, and every group, every interest group is covered. The governor has something for you. Thank God you have a written document. You give me that document, I will submit it. I will submit it properly to the governor, and he's going to look at it. And since you have phone numbers, everything there, you'll be contacted. But all I want to tell you is you have to be very up and doing. Everything that will come up, everyone have equal chance. Please try as much as possible to follow up. Thank you for supporting the governor. Thank you. You are widows. God hears the prayers of widows sincerely. He will hear your prayers. And your children that you are training with this effort that you are making will be useful for you. There are many projects that are coming up that will end up reducing the pressure on you. The good schools that government wants to build, your children will be there. You don't have to borrow, you don't have to cry for your children to be in school. The hospitals, the health programs that the government wants to embark upon, you will be one of the greatest beneficiaries. The issue of agriculture I said about, we create jobs for all of us, and we bring food to our tables. So in all, by the time all these projects are fully rolled out, and when you key in, we find that a lot of the issues that we are having now will be highly reduced for all of us. This our state does not discriminate. I am happy that even in your own group, you have recognized that. The woman said she's from Noja. What the name? The name again? Yes. Osage, yes. That shows you this is a detribalized state. I want you to continue in that way. Whoever behaves well is a Rivers person. The only people that are not Rivers people are people that are not behaving well. This group, collectively, I have seen your dedication. God will bless you. And thank you for coming. We will continue from where we have stopped. Thank you and God bless you.